And breaking news coming in, this is a major crackdown on terror activities in Jammu now. The BSF has recovered about 4 pistols, 8 magazine, 100 rounds and 1 kg of narcotics worth about 5 crores. Also another 2.75 lakh of fake currency. This recovery has been made from the Akhnur sector. This again close to the IB in Jammu. Authorities are suspecting a possible plan to carry out targeted killings in the Jammu region. This development coming a day after the arrest of a Lashkar terrorist also that you have seen. Right now on your screen are images of the recoveries that have been made by the police in what is a major crackdown on the terror activities in Jammu. Gursimran is tracking that story and more details are with him. Gursimran, first up, what more do we know about the kind of recoveries? What are the details that you can share with us? And what is it that the authorities are suspecting?
See, it was a major plot of Pakistan to carry out terror strikes in Jammu, and 4 pistols with 8 magazines and 100 rounds have been recovered by the Border Security Force, along with 2.75 lakh of fake currency and 1 kilogram of suspected heroin. This was pushed from the Pakistani side to the Indian territory, but was timely detected by the alert troops of the Border Security Force that are deployed in the Chicken Neck area of the Akhnur international border. And this comes after a day after a terrorist of the Resistance Front was arrested along with a pistol, who was on a mission to carry out the targeted killings in Jammu, especially of the prominent personalities as well as the politicians. And this pushing up of arms and ammunition as well as drugs from the Pakistani side, this indicates that it was the plot of the Pakistan to supply the terrorists who are based in Jammu, who have been sent from the handlers sitting in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir to Jammu region to carry out terror strikes. And this was to be provided to them so that they can carry out these terror strikes and targeted killings in Jammu. But due to the timely intervention of the alert troops of the Border Security Force that are deployed along the international border, this major tragedy has been averted, and now the BSF is probing all the forward as well as backward linkages. Even we are told that the Narcotics Control Bureau will also be looped in. Jammu and Kashmir Police has also been informed of the development that has taken place. The news which we are breaking first on the Republic. And this also shows that how desperate Pakistan is. We have seen that infiltration attempt was foiled on the 18th in the Uri sector. Another encounter is underway in which one terrorist has been killed so far in the Nambal area of Uri. And now this attempt from the Pakistan on the international border speaks of volumes that what Pakistan has got. Pakistan is in the fool's paradise, that they have got some strategic depth with Taliban taking over the regime in Afghanistan, and now they are resorting to their old tactics here in the international border as well as along the line of control.
And Gursimran, I think this is exactly what the authorities and the agencies suspected and they were ready for. And this is the reason why you're looking at this massive recovery, not just of arms and ammunition, also the narcotics that now has been recovered by the agencies for the moment. Thank you.